Why is it a necessity to integrate third-party APIs into a platform? This question may have crossed the minds of many, especially those in the tech industry. Let's take a journey into the world of APIs and specifically, the process of integrating them into a platform. A leading tech firm in the USA recently faced a challenge. They needed to extract meeting and conference data from platforms like GoToMeeting and Zoom. The solution? Using third-party APIs to fetch the data from these platforms and render it into the client's application. In this exciting video, join us as we delve into the unrivaled expertise and industry-leading standards of Blackcoffer, a client-centric IT consulting firm. Learn about the global reach of Blackcoffer, their innovative solutions, and the unparalleled value they bring to businesses worldwide. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. This solution was brought to life using Python, a popular programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. Python was the backbone of this project, enabling the team to automate the process of fetching data from different platforms. The project also involved the use of Django, a high-level Python web framework. Django was crucial in modifying the client's web application to handle form data. This modification allowed the application to accept dates as a time frame, which would then make a request to the API. But how did the team handle these API requests? This is where Postman came into play. Postman, a collaboration platform for API development, was used to manage and validate form data to process requests at the server end. To handle the authentication of the API client, the team used multi-threading of function calls. This technical method ensured that the process was fast and efficient. The project also involved UI component design to get dates from the user end. This was one of the technical challenges faced during the project execution. However, the team overcame this by creating automated functions as views in Django to handle requests made to the video conferencing platform. The project was completed by pushing code to the client's GitHub repository. The code was hosted on Heroku, a cloud platform that helped the team manage and scale the application. The project used PostgreSQL as the default project database. This choice of database provided the team with the necessary tools to handle large amounts of data efficiently. The impact on the client's business was significant. Instead of manually extracting meeting data and adding it to all users, any authorized user can now get meeting data at their convenience. In conclusion, this project demonstrated the power of integrating third-party APIs into a platform. It showed how Python, Django, and other tools can be used to automate processes, handle large amounts of data, and ultimately provide a solution that meets the client's needs. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer Team, a global IT consulting firm. For more about their work, visit their website at www.blackcoffer.com. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.